Okay, so I'm about to do voiceover for Sapphire's makeup tutorial.
Okay, here's the foundation. Tap, tap, tap.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, look at the nails. I like the nails, Sapphire. Okay.
Oh, that's like, that's not foundation. Or it might be foundation. I think it's foundation, okay.
Now she is applying her foundation.
Using the egg thing to spread it out.
Then another foundation.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Yes, conceal those under eyes, forehead time.
Apply that as well.
By the way, she's been really improving on this makeup journey of hers. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. Well, from the previous one, I haven't seen the finished product, but so far so good.
What is this? Is that contour? Ooh, contour.
Okay. Nice.
Is this also contour? Oh, it's eyelid. Eyelid concealer? Oh, base. It was the base for the eyeshadow.
I thought palettes were really for painting, but okay.
Very colorful.
Why don't we try that?
It's coming in well.
Okay, now she's putting a brown eyeshadow for the inside.
Ooh, so far so good.
Rub that in. Gotta get both eyes. Has to be even, you know.
Okay. Gotta make it even on both sides. Yep.
Yes, that flashlight's very helpful.
Is that an Ireland flag? It looks like a flag, but I'm loving the combination.
Some touch-up work.
What is she doing now?
Yep. To emphasize your cheekbones. Yep. I know that. I've seen that plenty of times. Mascara, right? Are we making a wing?
Now for the eye liner, I think.
Very careful not to stab the eye.
How does she go from how does she do her makeup in 3 minutes? Because most of these voiceovers are like 15, 20 minutes.
Eyeliner on the other eye. Not doing it off camera. Everything is recorded. Oh, it's lips time. Huh.
This how should be the fastest makeup routine in the history of makeup routines.
Get some green, red, and some Vaseline.
Vaseline, yes.
To balance it out.
Vaseline for the shine. Yep.
Vaseline is nicer than lip gloss. Lip gloss is too sticky.
Oh yes.
Oh wow.
Slay.
Alright, what is this? Whoa, she drew something on her face.
Oh, smiley face and a heart. Different.
Oh, like face tats? That's cool.
Oh, it looks like a heart actually. And a smiley face. That came out really well. Look at that.
Oh wow. Came out great. I think it looks great. I mean, I don't know makeup like that, but 10 out of 10 for me.
Whoa, this is the final look, I think. Very cute hearts. Very, very cool. Alright, now she's thinking. Goodbye.
You're different. Yes, girl, you did that. You did that. So we're coming to the end of our video. You know she killed that. Yes, you better wave goodbye. Bye, guys.
Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Or else.
The first time I recorded this, my headset microphone wasn't plugged in, so now I need to record this again. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is part 2 of my other makeup tutorial that I did a couple weeks ago. As you can see, the time jump between this video and the last video is long because there's other people that were supposed to be doing the voiceover as well, but for various reasons they couldn't be in it, but it's still good. So anyway, so shout out to Jen, Mwangi, David, and Glory. Yeah, they did a great job. As Glory said, you know, this makeup tutorial is less than 4 minutes long because I just wanted to put the makeup on my face and go, you know. Also, I got lashes and mascara and setting spray, so my makeup is slowly building. So one of these days, sometime soon, I'll do like a proper makeup voiceover tutorial, like everything that I have. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I appreciate it, even though I don't post that often. But God bless you. Stay safe. Make sure you wash your hands. Make sure you drink water, and make sure you wash behind your ears, because some of you don't. It's gross. Anyways, bye.
Burger King presents a friendly conversation.
Another battle of the burgers, huh? Well, not really. The Whopper beats the Big Mac? That's old news. Lamb broiling beats frying. That was last time. Well, now I suppose you're going to say that thousands of people have switched from other places to Burger King. Of course not. That's a relief. Actually, it's millions of people.
With grocery delivery, it's a breeze to get fresh groceries and more to your door. Shopping. When you're done, tap the cart icon. Review, then tap checkout.
Two episodes a week.
Yep.
That's 5 episodes a week.
10?
5?
No, 5 videos a week.
Isn't it 4 videos a week?
Sometimes it's 2.5 hours.
2.5.
Okay, yeah, so 5 episodes a week.
Yeah. So you have 25 promo videos per episode, as in podcast episode. That's 50 videos.
4, 5, yeah.
Divide by however many is 5 videos a day.
He said divide by however many. You can't do that in the sum. You can't just say however many. Man, put X in there.